So if you realise you had low pressure on the boiler, these Worcester Bosch Green Star boilers don't have a pressure sensor. So you'd probably have poor hot water or heating not very good. So to top it up, you've got your key. See a little arrow on the key? What that does is on here, there's two padlock symbols, unlock and lock. So you push your arrow up into unlock and then turn it to lock. And that's that. If you haven't pushed the key up far enough, you'll get wet. And then on this one, anti-clockwise, watch the pressure go up and turn it off when you get to about 1. Or 1.5. And then you turn the key back to unlock and put it out.